Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sneha's Biologist. Today we will learn about different sign of chemical equation. But before it, we have to know that what is chemical equation. So basically, when we represent any chemical reaction with symbols and chemical formulas, then it will be the chemical equation. But what is the correct definition of chemical equation? So let's define. Chemical equation is the symbolic representation of any chemical reaction in which reactants and product are expressed in terms of their respective chemical formulas. I repeat, the symbolic representation of any chemical reaction in which reactants and product are expressed in terms of their respective chemical formula. That is the definition of chemical equation. But many times we read the term word equation. So let's know about the term word equation. Actually, when we write any chemical equation equation in form of word, then it would be the word equation. Okay. So, hydrogen react with oxygen to form water. And this one is the word equation. But when word equation is represented by symbols and chemical formulas, then it is the chemical equation. It will be the chemical equation, like 2 molecules of hydrogen react with 1 molecule of oxygen to form 2 molecules of water. Now, what are the common symbols of any chemical equation? So, in any chemical equation, let's see, arrow is always present in between the reactants and the product. Reactants are written on left side of the arrow, whereas the products are written on the right hand side of the arrow. And the most important one is the plus sign. Okay, plus sign is always present in between the reactants, or if products are present in more than one number, then also plus sign are used in between the products. Okay. Now come to the point. Different signs of chemical equation. So what are the different signs? Let's see. The first one is the single arrow. It means the given reaction proceeds only in one direction. Okay. Now second one is the double arrow means reaction proceeds in both directions. Okay, double arrow means reaction proceeds in both directions. It means reactants form product and product again form the same reactants. Okay. Now third is the under bracket S, under bracket L and under bracket G. Actually this represent the states of matter. S represent solid state, L for the liquid state and G for the gaseous state. And the states of matter are written in small bracket in front of the any given chemical. Okay, in front of any given chemical. Now fourth one is the under bracket AQ, DIL and COM. What is the meaning of AQ? Actually AQ is for the aqueous, means the given chemical can dissolve in water. DIL is for the dilute. It means the given chemical is mixed with water or in another liquid. Conc is for concentrated, means that the given chemical is concentrated or contain large amount of solute. Okay. Now fifth sign is a triangle above the arrow. A triangle above the arrow indicates heat. It means reactants are heated in a given chemical reaction. But simply we can write heat in place of triangle. Now the number 6, ATM above the arrow. ATM means atmospheric pressure. Okay, ATM means atmospheric pressure. If any number is given with ATM, like let's take an example, CO2 is a gas. Okay, react with hydrogen to form chemical as a liquid state, and 340 ATM above the arrow. It means what? It means this chemical reaction require 340 atmospheric pressure to proceed. Okay. Now seventh one is the pressure above the arrow. What is the meaning of pressure above the? When pressure is written above the arrow, it means the reaction needs pressure more than that of the any atmospheric pressure. Okay. Now eighth one is the down arrow. Down arrow used to indicate precipitates. Okay, actually down arrow is used to indicate precipitates, or also used as an alternative to solid state. Okay. Now ninth one is the up arrow, and up arrow used to indicate liberation of gases. Okay. Now the last and the 10th one is the catalyst, or are the catalyst. Actually many catalysts like enzymes, magnet, zinc, sunlight, chlorophyll, etc. are represented either in above or below the arrow in any chemical equation. That's all for today's. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then subscribe it, and don't forget to like and share. Stay at home, stay healthy. Bye bye.